Okay, so a quick tutorial on how to use Google Documents to make forms that can be submitted electronically for basically any form that you may have on paper now, whether it be a inventory for the truck or checkout sheets for stuff like SCBA and Dive Gear. Um, Real quick, go to Google Documents, which if you're using Firefox, just type in Docs. If you're using Internet Explorer, type docs.google.com. If you don't already have an account, create an account when you get there. After you create an account, once you log in, go to New Spreadsheets, and it's going to open up a spreadsheet that looks very familiar to those of you who are used to using Excel or some other spreadsheet program. We're going to go to Share. It's going to ask us to name the document. We'll call this one SCBA Checkout. And we're going to go to Fill out a form. We're going to go to Start editing your form, and then right here we have the title of the form, and then here we can have any comments that you may want to have people read before filling out the form. So we'll just say, this is my comment. Okay, and then we're going to just start listing questions that you may ask. So let's just do, first one we'll do your employee number, so we'll just say E number for short. You can type it out if you want. You can put help text here, so if you want to tell people that E number stands for employee number, you can go employee number, and we're going to leave that as a text type. We're going to add a new question. We're going to put date is already time stamped on the form, so we don't have to put a date. Next we can do something as in pack ID number, if you guys have ID numbers on your packs to keep track of them. Next we're going to add another question, and we'll just start putting in, we'll say other checks here, and we're going to do a checkbox form here, and we're going to go pack is in good condition, bottle is in good condition, straps are adjusted out. And basically anything that you have on your checklist. This is a very short form, but you can make it as long as you want, whatever information you need. And then we're going to have a spot for them to make comments, and we're going to make that a paragraph so they have plenty of room to type. Other options in here is a choose from list and a multiple choice buttons. But we're just going to put what we have right now just as an example. We're going to save it. Then we're going to choose recipients. Over here to the right, this is what the form is going to look like. Up here is an address that you can give to people or post online for people to fill it out. Up here you can type in people's email address to automatically email to them. This lets people see what has been submitted. And then here we can do a custom message for after they submit it. So we're just going to write, thanks for checking out the SCBA packs. If I could type right. Okay, so you're done. Basically put this link on the computers that people are going to be using to submit the form. So after they check out the packs, they can go in and click on this link here. They're going to get the form here. They'll type in their employee number. So we'll say the employee number is 165. Say the pack ID number is 1234. And we're going to check, oh, I checked the pack is in good condition, the bottle is in good condition, straps are adjusted out. I accidentally put in option 4. You can go back and remove that. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. and then here you can go all is good for the comment, or whatever comments they want. We can go submit, and it says thank you for checking the SCBA pack. So if we go back here, we can edit the form again. Since I had messed up, I can go back in here and go edit, and I can remove that option 4 I accidentally put in there. And you can also change the order of these. If I wanted to move pack ID number before E number, I can do just by clicking these little arrows here. Going to save that, and now you'll see in the preview right here, or if we click on the link, that 4th option is gone. Since we have here checked let people see existing responses, you can see that the last response that I put in is down here at the bottom. For whoever's in charge of all the paperwork that gets submitted, now all they have to do, instead of collecting all the paperwork, they just log on to Google Documents, go back into the file they made for SCBA checkout, and right here you can adjust it out. It tells the date and time that the form was submitted, E number of the person who submitted it, and basically all the information that we just put in. So once again, if we go back here and we put in now E number 236, pack number 4567, pack's in good condition, bottle's in good condition, straps are adjusted out. We'll type thanks for making this easy. I'll click submit. Once again, it will say thank you for checking the SCBA packs. Once again, if we go back to the Excel spreadsheet here, it says date and time 236 was the E number that put it in, pack ID number 4567, bottles in good condition, or packs in good condition, bottles in good condition, straps are adjusted out, and thanks for making this easy. So you can see as soon as someone submits the form, it's automatically put into the form here. Also, if you go to share, you can go notify me at whatever is your email address, either once a day or as soon as something is submitted. And that's how easy it is to make a form that you can use for medical inventory, SCBA checklists. Basically any forms that you now do paper-wise can be submitted electronically in a few minutes. I know I went over this fast, but play with it. It's free. Just go to googledocuments.com.